Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at the Surfwheel. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now on the channel we reviewed a lot of different products which include scooters, we've looked at powered bikes and electric skateboards, and today we're going to take a look at the Surfwheel. So we're going to go over all the features, we're going to take it on a ride, and I'm going to help you with your buying decision because once you see this baby in action, you're going to want one of these. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now before taking a closer look at the Surfwheel, let's take a look at the website where you can order the product as well as all the specs. So here you can see this is the Surfwheel website, surfwheel.com. It retails for $3.99, and some of the details I think you're going to be interested in is the first is the max speed. The max speed of the product is 12 miles per hour. That's pretty decent for something like this that is small and rides so low on the ground. It also has a 10-mile range, which is also really good. Now, it does have LEDs, and we're going to select one of these images here so you can see it. So here you see the LED. So you have LEDs on both sides, and you also have a front and back light. And that's going to, again, keep the area that you're riding in illuminated if you choose to ride at night. Now, the weight of the unit itself, as you can see here, is 19 pounds. You do have handles on each side, so we'll go back to the original picture. You have a handle in front and a handle in back, and it's really, really easy to ride. So what we're going to do is let's take a closer look at the one that we have here in studio, and then we'll go outside and we'll try it. Now, taking a closer look at the Surfwheel, a couple things that you'll notice is that it has this skid-proof material that goes all the way throughout. That's going to make it really easy to keep your feet on the board. You also have these two handle areas here that you can use to raise the board, and it doesn't matter which side you pick up because you have them on both sides. You also then have this pressure plate here. This is when you put your first foot here and then you rest your next foot here, it kind of activates the board when the board is on. Let me show you where the power and the connectivity reside. So here we have our wheel, and you can see that we've been actually riding this already. You have your power connector that it does come with include power brick that you'll be able to power. You do have here your power button. Watch, I'll turn this on.
Surfwheel starts.
Yep. So you do get audible feedback. You do get a voice that tells you if you're in learner mode, which it does have, or if you're in experience mode, it would tell you. It also tells you when you step on it if it's been activated or not. So it's not going to run off by itself when you get on, so you don't have to worry about just being freaked out because just something happens, because there's some really good feedback with that voice that comes through. Now, in addition to that, you do have some learner wheels, so you can see we've been trying this out, and I've had not only myself, I've had several of the kids in the neighborhood try this, so they're a little beat up somewhat on the sides. These learner wheels are great for the first time that you're trying or learning to use the Surfwheel, and then once you're experienced enough, you can remove these. These come off, and there's some wheels, just like the ones that are on each side of this, but they're smaller ones and they're closer to the board. But right now, this is a great way to learn to use the board and to prevent it really getting banged up or scratched underneath, which I really appreciate having that option. The wheel is solid, so you don't have to worry about getting a flat, and once again, you're going to be able to get 10 miles out of this. So let's try and ride it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is turn on the Surfwheel. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on by pressing the button here on the side.
Surfwheel starts.
All right, so now we have the start command that you heard that. And now the first thing you'll do is you place your feet in the back. So one foot goes on the back here, and then the other is going to go right here in this specific area. As soon as you do that, it's going to enable, and it will automatically self-balance. So go try that. All right, so now it's balanced. And then all you have to do is, in order to move forward, is just lean forward. So as you lean forward, it's going to start picking up speed, and just that's pretty much all there is to it. So guys, that concludes our review of the Surfwheel. I'm telling you, I'm kind of digging this board. I hope you do too. Let me know what you thought in the comment area below.